Are you ready to meet the AI assistants of tomorrow today? In this video, we're embarking on a digital odyssey to explore the latest AI projects that are not just changing the game. They're redesigning the entire playground. From Continue, your new AI-powered coding co-pilot, to Jan, the privacy-focused AI companion, we're uncovering the tools that are making tech headlines. Buckle up as we unveil the cutting-edge innovations that are reshaping our digital world. Let's get started. Project number 1, Continue Dev. In the world of coding, there's something new on the horizon that's about to make writing software a whole lot easier. It's called Continue, and it's like having a super smart buddy right in your coding software, who's always ready to help you out. Developed by Continue Dev, Continue is an AI-powered tool that works with popular coding environments like VS Code and JetBrains IDEs. Here's what's cool about Continue. As you type away your code, it's right there with you, offering smart suggestions on how to finish your lines. It's not just any autocomplete. It's like it understands what you're trying to do and helps steer you in the right direction. If you're working on a function, Continue might suggest ways to wrap it up or even offer up new ways to tackle the problem. But Continue isn't just about saving you from typing. It looks at your code and gives you tips to make it even better. It's kind of like having a coding coach who points out how to improve your work. So not only do you get your coding done faster, but you also learn to become a better coder along the way. Now, let's talk pros. First off, Continue can seriously speed up your coding. We're talking about making your workflow smoother and helping you write better quality code faster than before. Plus, it's an open source tool, which means it's free to use, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even help make it better by contributing your own ideas. Of course, Continue isn't perfect. It's still learning and getting better every day. So while it's got a lot of potentials, there might be a few bumps along the way as it grows. And if you're someone who's very private about your code, you might be a little hesitant about a tool that needs to analyze your work to help out. In summary, Continue is for the coders who love being at the forefront, trying out the latest tools to see how they can change the way they work. If you're excited by the idea of AI giving you a coding assist, and you're okay with it being a work in progress, then Continue might just be what you've been waiting for. Project number 2, Jan. Next up in our tech spotlight is Jan, an AI assistant that's like no other. Created by the folks at Jan HQ, this tool is designed to work entirely offline, right on your personal computer. That's right, Jan is all about giving you the power of AI without the need to connect to the internet, ensuring your privacy and keeping your data securely on your device. Now imagine having a helper that's tailored just for you, one that learns from your preferences and needs, offering personalized assistance without ever leaving your side. Jan is built to be this companion. Whether you're drafting emails, organizing your schedule, or searching for files, Jan is there to help, learning from your habits to provide even better support over time. One of the biggest draws of Jan is its commitment to privacy. In today's world, where almost everything we do online can be tracked or stored on a cloud server, Jan keeps things strictly between you and your computer. This makes Jan a perfect choice for anyone who values privacy above all else, or works in fields where confidentiality is paramount. But Jan's unique offline capability doesn't just mean better privacy. It also means you're not tied to subscription fees or cloud service dependencies. Once you download Jan, it's yours to use as you please, without additional costs. Plus, being open source, Jan invites a community of users and developers to explore, modify, and improve its capabilities together. However, no tool is without its challenges. Jan's offline nature means it might not have the same breadth of knowledge or immediate update capabilities as cloud-based AI assistants. Setting up Jan to work exactly how you want might require a bit of technical know-how. And because it runs on your device, it could be more resource-intensive than online alternatives. In essence, Jan is for those who prioritize privacy and personalization in their digital assistant. It's a pioneering approach to AI companionship, offering a unique blend of customization and confidentiality. If you're intrigued by the idea of an AI that works offline and respects your privacy, Jan might just be the next big thing in your digital life. Project number 3, Huly Platform. Imagine a tool that's like a Swiss Army knife for businesses, combining all the features you need to run your operations smoothly in one place. That's where the Huly Platform comes into play. Developed by the innovative minds at Engineering, Huly is designed to be the ultimate all-in-one solution for business applications, merging project management, CRM, HRM, and communication tools like chat, all under one roof. With Huly, the idea is to streamline your workflow by bringing together the various tools you use daily. Instead of switching between applications like Jira for project management, Slack for communication, and Notion for note-taking, Huly offers these functionalities within a single, integrated platform. This not only saves time but also reduces the complexity of managing multiple software subscriptions and interfaces. What sets Huly apart is its open-source nature, allowing developers to customize and build on top of its core features. This means you can tweak Huly to fit your company's specific needs and processes perfectly. Plus, with an active community of contributors, Huly is continuously evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly. However, as promising as Huly sounds, it's important to note that it's still a work in progress. While it aims to replace several standalone tools with its comprehensive feature set, some functionalities might not yet be as polished or extensive as those offered by specialized services. Users should be prepared for a learning curve as they familiarize themselves with Huly's interface and capabilities. Additionally, since Huly is under active development, early adopters might encounter bugs or areas in need of refinement. Despite these considerations, Huly represents a bold step forward for businesses looking for a more unified and efficient way to manage their operations. For companies willing to explore new technologies and contribute to an open-source project, Huly offers a promising platform that combines versatility, customization, and community support. If the prospect of consolidating your business tools into a single platform excites you, Huly could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Project number 4. Text Generation Web UI. In the digital age, where content is king, imagine having a tool that can write almost anything for you. From emails to creative stories, all with a few clicks. That's exactly what the Text Generation Web UI project by Ubabuga on GitHub is all about. It's a bridge to the future of writing, bringing the power of large language models, LLMs, like GPT-J and Jurassic 1 Jumbo directly to your fingertips through a simple web interface. This innovative tool is designed to make advanced AI accessible to everyone, not just coders and tech experts. With its user-friendly web interface, you can interact with these powerful AIs to generate text for a wide range of purposes. Whether you need help drafting a professional email, creating engaging blog content, or even writing code, Text Generation Web UI has got you covered. One of the coolest features of this tool is its versatility. It allows you to fine-tune the AI's responses by adjusting parameters like temperature and top P, giving you control over the creativity and randomness of the generated text. This means you can tailor the AI's output to match your specific needs and style, making it an incredibly flexible writing assistant. Another significant advantage is the privacy and control it offers. Unlike some online services where your input might be sent to remote servers, Text Generation Web UI can run entirely offline. This means your data stays with you, offering a layer of privacy and security that's increasingly rare in the digital world. However, it's worth noting that while Text Generation Web UI opens up a world of possibilities, it's not without its limitations. The tool supports several popular models, but it might not have access to the very latest or most niche AIs. Additionally, while the interface is straightforward, getting the best results might require a bit of learning, especially when it comes to tweaking those generation parameters. In summary, Text Generation Web UI is a window into the future of writing and content creation. It democratizes access to powerful AI tools, making it possible for anyone to harness the capabilities of large language models for their writing needs. Whether you're a professional writer, a developer, or just someone who loves exploring new technologies, this tool offers a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that AI brings to the world of text generation. Project number 5, LLRT, Low Latency Runtime. You're building an app, and every millisecond of response time matters, not just for the user experience, but also for your server costs. Enter LLRT, short for Low Latency Runtime, a project that's catching the eye of developers looking for speed and efficiency in serverless applications. Developed by AWS Labs on GitHub, LLRT is carving out its niche by offering a JavaScript runtime that's lean, mean, and built for the cloud. What makes LLRT stand out? It's designed from the ground up to make serverless functions run faster and more cost-effectively. In the world of cloud computing, where resources are paid by the millisecond, LLRT's focus on reducing runtime size and execution time can lead to noticeable savings on your cloud bill. Plus, its optimized performance means your apps can respond to users quicker than ever, providing a seamless experience that today's users expect. But LLRT isn't just about speed and cost. It's an open-source project, meaning it thrives on collaboration and innovation from developers worldwide. Being backed by Amazon Web Services, it also promises regular updates and a roadmap aligned with the needs of serverless computing, offering peace of mind that it's a tool that's growing and evolving. However, diving into LLRT comes with considerations. It's an experimental project, which means it's still in its early stages. While the potential for performance gains is significant, early adopters should be prepared for a journey that might include some bumps and learning curves as the project matures. Additionally, the ecosystem around LLRT might not be as expansive as more established runtimes, which could mean rolling up your sleeves to contribute or develop some of the tooling and libraries you need. In essence, LLRT is for the forward-thinking developer who's excited about shaping the future of serverless computing. It's a project that invites experimentation, contribution, and a bit of adventure. If the idea of being at the forefront of optimizing cloud applications excites you, and you're ready to be part of a community that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in serverless, LLRT might just be your next big project. Project number 6, PKL by Apple. Imagine if setting up and managing the configurations for your digital projects was as simple as writing a to-do list. That's the vision behind PKL, a groundbreaking project by Apple, hosted on GitHub. PKL stands for Configuration as Code and represents a new era where managing digital settings isn't just easier, it's smarter and more intuitive. PKL is designed to make configurations readable and writable by humans, not just machines. Think of it like writing instructions in plain English or any language you're comfortable with, rather than deciphering complex code. This approach not only makes setting up your projects faster, but also significantly reduces the chance of errors. Plus, PKL ensures that your configurations are precise and tailored, thanks to its rich validation features that catch mistakes early on. But PKL doesn't stop at making things simpler. It also brings the power of automation to your fingertips. With tools to generate documentation and automate routine tasks, PKL streamlines the entire process of managing configurations, freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects of your projects. Being an open-source project, PKL invites a community of developers and users to dive in, contribute, and help shape its development. This means that PKL is continuously evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly. And because it's developed by Apple, you can expect a level of innovation and quality that's designed to make a real difference in how projects are configured. However, as with any new tool, there's a learning curve. While PKL aims to simplify configuration management, getting the most out of its features requires a bit of upfront learning. And, as the project grows, the community's role in providing support and resources will be crucial for new users navigating the PKL landscape. In summary, PKL by Apple is setting the stage for a revolution in configuration management. If you've ever felt bogged down by the technicalities of setting up your projects, or wished for a way to manage configurations that's both simple and powerful, PKL might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. It's an invitation to join a community at the forefront of redefining how we interact with technology, making our digital environments more accessible, efficient, and, most importantly, human-friendly. Project number 7, Lucide. In the vast sea of digital design, finding the perfect icons for your project can feel like searching for treasure. Enter Lucide, a beacon of light in the world of iconography. Born from the desire to offer designers and developers a comprehensive and cohesive set of icons, Lucide builds on the legacy of Feather icons, expanding its horizons with more options, styles, and versatility. Lucide is more than just a collection of pretty symbols. It's a toolkit designed to empower your projects with icons that are not only beautiful, but also incredibly functional. With over 300 icons in its treasure chest, Lucide covers a wide range of categories, ensuring you'll find the perfect icon for any need, be it for a user interface, social media, or even finance-related designs. But Lucide's appeal doesn't stop at its variety. It offers icons in multiple formats, including SVG, PNG, and web fonts, making integration into your projects as seamless as possible. Whether you're building a website, a mobile app, or a desktop application, Lucide ensures that adding that visual touch is a breeze. And for those who like to tweak and tinker, Lucide icons are customizable, allowing you to adjust their size, color, and stroke width to match your project's aesthetic perfectly. One of the most exciting aspects of Lucide is its open-source nature. This means that the project is continuously evolving, with a vibrant community of designers and developers contributing new icons, enhancements, and features. It's this collaborative spirit that keeps Lucide at the cutting edge of icon design, making it a living project that grows with its users' needs. However, navigating Lucide's vast collection and customization options might require a bit of a learning curve, especially for those new to working with icons or specific formats. And while the project aims to cater to a broad audience, the search for very niche or specialized icons might still lead you on a bit of a quest. In essence, Lucide represents a new era of icon design, blending aesthetic beauty with functional depth. For designers and developers looking to elevate their projects with crisp, coherent, and customizable icons, Lucide offers a world of possibilities. So, if you're on the hunt for icons that will make your designs shine, set sail for Lucide. Your treasure awaits. Project number 8. Backstage. Imagine having a digital workspace where everything you need as a developer is just a click away. That's the vision behind Backstage, a revolutionary platform that's transforming how developers interact with their tools and resources. Created by the Backstage organization and hosted on GitHub, Backstage is redefining the concept of a developer portal by offering a customizable, centralized hub for all your development needs. Backstage stands out by allowing you to bring together documentation, tooling, services, and even your CI/CD pipelines into one intuitive interface. It's like having a control center for your entire development lifecycle, from planning to deployment. The beauty of Backstage is its modular construction, which means you can plug in a wide range of tools and services, essentially building your developer portal brick by brick to suit your project's specific requirements. This open-source ecosystem thrives on collaboration, benefiting from a community of contributors who are continuously adding new plugins, themes, and improvements. Whether you're integrating with cloud services, tracking issues, or managing software catalogs, Backstage makes it seamless and straightforward. But what really sets Backstage apart is its commitment to customization and extensibility. You're not just getting a one-size-fits-all solution, you're getting a platform that can be tailored to reflect your team's culture, workflows, and branding. This level of personalization not only enhances the developer experience, but also fosters a sense of ownership and engagement within your team. However, adopting Backstage isn't without its challenges. Setting up your personalized portal can take time and effort, especially if you're starting from scratch. There's also a learning curve as you and your team become familiar with navigating and maximizing the platform. And, while the community is active and supportive, relying on community-driven development means that the pace of updates and bug fixes can vary. In essence, Backstage is for teams and organizations that believe in the power of a unified developer experience. It's for those who value efficiency, collaboration, and customization in their development processes. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and bring a new level of coherence to your development projects, Backstage might just be the Backstage pass you've been looking for. Project number 9. Phosphor Icons. In the digital world, the right icons can speak louder than words, adding clarity and beauty to our interfaces. That's where Phosphor Icons comes into play, shining as a versatile and beautifully crafted icon library that's capturing the hearts of designers and developers alike. Hosted on GitHub by the Phosphor Icons team, Phosphor Icons is more than just a collection of symbols. It's a design toolkit made to enrich user interfaces with its clean, consistent, and responsive icons. Phosphor Icons sets itself apart with its extensive library that includes over 300 meticulously designed icons, covering a wide range of categories. Whether you're building a web application, a mobile app, or just sprucing up your digital project, Phosphor offers the visual elements you need to make your project stand out. And with icons available in SVG, PNG, and font formats, integrating them into your project is as easy as pie. But what truly makes Phosphor Icons a gem in the design world is its adaptability. Each icon is designed with customization in mind, allowing you to tweak sizes, colors, and strokes to fit your project's unique style perfectly. This level of flexibility ensures that your project maintains its visual identity, enhanced by Phosphor's cohesive iconography. The spirit of open-source collaboration breathes life into Phosphor Icons, with a community of contributors constantly adding new icons, refining existing ones, and ensuring the library stays fresh and relevant. This collaborative ethos means that Phosphor Icons isn't just a static library. It's a growing, evolving toolkit that reflects the needs and creativity of its user base. While the breadth and quality of Phosphor Icons are undisputed, navigating such a rich library might initially seem daunting to newcomers. Finding the perfect icon for your project among hundreds of options requires a bit of exploration. Furthermore, while Phosphor Icons offers a fantastic starting point for customization, achieving the perfect look might require a dab of design skills to fully capitalize on its versatility. In summary, Phosphor Icons represents a harmonious blend of design and functionality, providing a comprehensive toolkit for digital creators looking to add visual depth and clarity to their projects. If you're in search of icons that are not only beautiful but also flexible and user-friendly, Phosphor Icons might just be the treasure trove you've been searching for. Project number 10. Slint embark on a journey into the future of user interface development with Slint, a groundbreaking toolkit that's changing the way we think about building UIs. Hosted on GitHub and developed by a dedicated team passionate about innovation, Slint offers a unique approach to crafting sleek, responsive, and highly interactive interfaces for a wide range of applications. At its core, Slint is about simplicity and efficiency. It employs a declarative syntax that allows developers to describe UI elements in a straightforward and intuitive way. This means you can focus more on what your application should look like and less on the boilerplate code traditionally required to make it happen. Slint handles the heavy lifting, translating your vision into a reality with minimal fuss. What sets Slint apart from other UI frameworks is its commitment to performance and portability. Designed to work seamlessly across different platforms, Slint ensures that your applications look and feel consistent, whether they're running on a desktop, a mobile device, or even embedded systems. This cross-platform compatibility, combined with Slint's lightweight nature, makes it an ideal choice for projects where performance and user experience are paramount. Another hallmark of Slint is its vibrant, open-source community. By choosing Slint, you're not just getting a UI toolkit, you're joining a collaborative ecosystem where ideas, resources, and support flow freely. This community-driven development model means that Slint is continually evolving, with new features and improvements being added to enhance its functionality and usability. However, embracing Slint comes with considerations. Its innovative approach and syntax might require a learning curve for developers accustomed to more traditional UI frameworks. Additionally, while Slint's community is active and growing, it may not yet offer the same breadth of resources and third-party libraries as some of the more established frameworks. In conclusion, Slint is paving a new path in UI development, offering a fresh perspective on how we create and interact with digital interfaces. For developers and teams eager to explore the forefront of UI technology and contribute to an emerging, dynamic community, Slint presents an exciting opportunity. It's a chance to be part of a movement that's not just following the trends but setting them.